Imagine graduating from school, degree in hand, overflowing with excitement and eager to conquer the world, only to stumble at the first hurdle, managing your money. This crucial life skill, often ignored in traditional education, leaves many young adults financially vulnerable. The National Endowment for Financial Education found that a staggering 76% of millennials lack basic financial literacy. Even successful figures like Mike Tyson, who earned over $300 million, filed for bankruptcy due to poor financial management. So, how do you avoid the same fate? Everyone dreams of being financially free, but few truly understand what it takes to manage money effectively. In this video, we'll reveal what it takes to build wealth without the risk of losing it all. These insights will empower you to make smarter decisions and build a more secure future. Join us on this journey to mastery and learn the essential money lessons schools failed to teach you. First, let's start with the basics. What is money? Money is more than just paper or coins. It is a powerful asset that facilitates trade and represents value. When you make a purchase, you're exchanging money for something you believe holds equivalent worth. Simply put, money is a tool. Money serves three essential functions. It's a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. As a medium of exchange, it simplifies transactions by eliminating the need for bartering. As a store of value, it allows us to save and preserve wealth for future use. And as a unit of account, it provides a standard measure for pricing goods and services. This understanding shifts our perspective from seeing money as an end goal to recognizing it as a means to achieve what we truly want. At its core, our finances are shaped by two primary activities: production and consumption, also referred to as income and expenses. Money enters our lives through production, such as work, services, or goods we provide, and leaves through consumption, such as purchases and expenses. Financial stability hinges on the balance of these two elements. An imbalance can quickly lead to financial difficulties. This is why we see high-income earners struggle financially, living paycheck to paycheck because their spending habits outpace their earnings. This is referred to as lifestyle inflation, where increased income leads to higher spending rather than improved saving and investment practices. To achieve financial well-being, it's essential to analyze and adjust your spending patterns. This involves aligning your consumption habits with your production capabilities, ensuring that expenses are sustainable in the long term and in line with your income. This is your foundation for financial security. The rat race extends beyond working a 9-to-5. It is the relentless pursuit of the next paycheck, living on the financial edge where any unexpected expense can lead to disaster. This cycle of living paycheck to paycheck breeds constant worry about money. To break free from this pattern requires deep understanding and transformation of your spending habits. Tracking your expenses and following a budget are the essential first steps towards managing your personal finances. By categorizing your spending, you learn about yourself as a consumer, which allows you to make more informed decisions that support your goals. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial management, yet many people neglect it. It is not just about restricting spending, it's about prioritizing and making intentional financial decisions. Start by categorizing your expenses to see where your money is going, then allocate specific amounts to each category. Sticking to your budget and adjusting as needed is foundational to financial success. A popular budgeting strategy is the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your income into three categories. It allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment pool. Saving money is essential, but simply putting it in a savings account isn't enough due to inflation eroding its value over time. Various investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate each offer their own risk and return profile. The key is to start early, diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk, and maintain a long-term investing strategy. Additionally, putting money into retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA doesn't just build savings for the future, but also provides immediate tax advantages, such as deferring taxes on contributions or benefiting from tax-free growth until withdrawal. One of the most powerful yet overlooked financial concepts in school is compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world because it allows interest to grow exponentially over time. For example, If you invest $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 8%, compounded annually over 30 years, the investment would grow to over $100,000, highlighting its ability to multiply wealth through continuous growth and reinvestment of earnings. The Rule of 72 is a popular tool used to estimate how long it takes for an investment to double by dividing 72 by the annual interest rate. If you have an investment earning 8% annual interest, the Rule of 72 suggests that it would take about 9 years for your initial investment to double. This rule highlights the power of compound interest, as both the initial principal and the accumulated interest are both earning interest. This compounding effect is fundamental to long-term financial planning, demonstrating how even moderate investment returns can lead to significant wealth over the years. Understanding and leveraging the principles of compound interest can be the catalyst that saves you millions rather than thousands. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Having an emergency fund can provide a financial cushion to cover these unexpected costs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account. Although building an emergency fund may require temporarily cutting back on discretionary spending, it can help you avoid taking on high-interest debt in a crisis and provide peace of mind. Consider automating your savings by setting up a monthly transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund. This way, saving becomes a consistent habit. Debt can be a powerful tool when managed correctly, but it can also become a trap if spending and repayment are not carefully planned. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly spiral out of control without a structured approach. It's crucial to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Mortgage or student loan debt can be seen as beneficial, as it allows you to invest in assets that may appreciate in value or increase your earning potential over time. Debt can also be used strategically as leverage to finance investments or business ventures, potentially yielding higher returns than the cost of borrowing. On the other hand, bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt used for discretionary spending, typically does not generate long-term value. Aim to pay off high-interest debt as soon as possible and use credit responsibly. Effective strategies include the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche method, which focuses on eliminating the highest interest debt first. These approaches not only help manage and eliminate debt effectively, but also redirect resources towards wealth-building activities. By implementing these strategies, you can reduce financial stress, improve your credit score, and pave the way for a more secure financial future. Your credit score is vital for financial success. It affects your ability to get loans, rent homes, and secure jobs. Build strong credit by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding too many new credit applications. Regularly check your credit report for errors. A high score can save you thousands in interest over your lifetime. Understand the key factors that affect your credit score: payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, new credit inquiries, and credit mix. Keep utilization below 30% and maintain a diverse credit portfolio to boost your score. Taxes might seem daunting and complex, but gaining an understanding of their nuances can lead to big savings. Dive into the fundamentals of various types of taxes, such as income, sales, and property taxes, to see how they individually impact your wallet. Learn about one of the most powerful tools in tax management: leveraging deductions and credits. Deductions, such as those for mortgage interest or charitable donations, lower your taxable income, reducing the total income subject to tax. Credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit, directly decrease your tax liability, providing a dollar-for-dollar reduction in the amount you owe to the government. As your finances grow and become more intricate, a tax professional will be your ally in optimizing your tax strategy. The experts ensure you maximize your available deductions and credits and provide valuable guidance on tax-efficient strategies for saving and investing while remaining compliant with tax law. Once you start building wealth, it's important to protect it. This involves having the right insurance coverage, including health, auto, home, and life insurance to safeguard against unexpected financial loss. Having a will and estate plan is also essential to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Utilizing trusts as an estate planning tool can be instrumental in managing and preserving your assets, ensuring they are protected for future generations or specific purposes. Working with a financial and legal advisor can help you develop a comprehensive plan to protect and grow your wealth over time. Understanding where schools are failing, start financial education early in the home to set children up for lifelong success. Teaching concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit from an early age empowers children to make informed financial decisions as they grow older. By bridging the gap left by formal education, families can play a pivotal role in shaping youth who are prepared to achieve financial security and success in adulthood. Achieving and maintaining financial success is also tied to both mindset and behavior. Adopting a growth mindset, believing in the potential for improvement through effort and error, leads to better financial outcomes. Set goals, learn from mistakes, and focus on continuous improvement. To further secure your financial longevity, understand behavioral economics, such as loss aversion and the endowment effect. Dive into cognitive and behavioral biases, such as the ostrich effect and hyperbolic discounting, and stay mindful of the social factors that influence your financial decisions. Combining a positive mindset with awareness of behavioral tendencies paves the way to even greater financial independence and success. Be aware that the financial landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends shaping the way we manage and interact with money. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and digital payment systems are revolutionizing the financial industry. Stay informed and cautiously evaluate their impact on your financial strategy. As we've discussed, understanding money is essential for not only securing wealth, but maintaining it. While schools neglect to teach this essential life skill, it's never too late to learn. By learning the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting your wealth, you have all the building blocks you need to create a secure financial future. Remember, financial education is a lifelong journey, and every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.